do you think, Gus? All right, everybody. Well, we kind of left off as we weren't going to get the truck done, but surprise, surprise, my flight should have left 2 or 3 hours ago, and I am still here in Oregon. Delayed the flight until Wednesday. So we are going to get Kyle's truck done. I'm not going to reveal too much, but we got the primer on it. We got it all sanded down today, and that's all I'm going to say about that, but it's going to get done. Didn't really think I'd leave here without getting his truck painted, did you? But I'm just hanging out here with Gus right now. Pretty nice out right now. It's getting cool. And it's supposed to continue cooling off over the next few days, I believe. But I think James, he may be having an update video coming out too, and I might let him put his out first. Not sure what's going on, but Gus and I are just hanging out. His wife just got home. He's been inside with the kids. I've been kind of cleaning things up down here a little bit. We're just hanging out in the garage tonight. Not doing a whole heck of a lot. We're gonna smoke some ribs, about 7 pounds of ribs here pretty soon. And we're just kind of relaxing tonight. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. So anyway, yeah, I am still here in Oregon. I'm here till Wednesday, delayed the flight. And guys, that was rather expensive. If you would like to help out a little bit, if you've been thinking about getting a channel sticker, a hoodie, t-shirt, coffee mug, any of that kind of stuff, we do not make a lot of money off of that stuff. But every little bit would help a little, a lot of little bits adds up to a lot. So the link for that will be down below in the description. And speak of the devil, he's right there.
Filming this again?
Yeah, I had to do another take here, I think. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on. I'm here till Wednesday, and Kyle's truck will be getting done. So
I think schedule. Oh, we're on schedule for tomorrow for base coat and clear.
Okay. Well, he just ruined it. Yeah, that's going on tomorrow. So anyway.
I don't know.
I know.
You don't tell me
no,
these
the
things.
Russian is coming out again. So anyway, guys.
I call Mama and tell you.
Anyway, that's what's going on, guys, and we'll catch you tomorrow.